Like
heartbeat is 130. We climbed 100.
yeah. Kind of like
140.
it's playa. Like is there.
All is well.
Good. I think the sun is here, so it's maybe easier.
That's something that I can say. How does it out now?
If you look here, if you look back from here, then it's easy. But then you have the sun. They want
Encouraging us.
They want us to be sitting. Let's, what do we do? Do we film? Do we film ourselves? Like, we can't see each other because the sun is on the wall.
There's something here that's open.
Yeah, probably. Come over. Yeah, this is just a general It's nothing. Yeah.
Military boots.
Like. Are you one of the residents of this place?
Huh? 15-20 years.
What?
Not yet.
I wouldn't say that. It looks like.
Do you think that that's a tower that we saw? Fisher? Remember, I took a picture through a gate.
It's possible.
Because we can see Magaluf from here.
From here we cannot.
Because we're not.
Yeah. But we can film ourselves. You see? Annika, this is us. We never get a chance of having a picture of
My hair
us in Magaluf and enjoying it. Alright.
Zodiac is for sale.
And you can rent some of them for $295 per day.
Yeah, and you don't